In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete multiple photos at once on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Photos app and then get into some album or just stop at library. Now if we want to delete multiple photos at once, we need to tap right here at that select button, and now it allows us to choose multiple photos at the same time. All we have to do is just tap add photos that we want to remove to check mark them, and we can check mark as many photos or videos as we want. And once we've done with that, in order to delete the selected photos, we can just hit at that trash icon and then select delete photos. That's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.